Hi everyone, welcome back to another unboxing, this time about the Blue Yeti microphone. Got to say, this is one of the most good looking boxes we have had on this channel so far. Seriously well looking. Good looking. As you can tell, the box is loaded with a lot of info about the mic's features from what I've read and heard on other YouTube channels. This is one of the best starting microphones out there. Definitely a huge setup from using your mic's phone. The build, well, it's good. We'll talk about it a bit later on. Alright, let's crack it open. So inside we've got a USB-A to USB mini cable. That's how you connect it directly to the mic. It also comes with the usual paperwork, manuals, warranty info, and how it works. And here it is, all wrapped in plastic, fresh out the box. Let's just go quickly over the ports. There's a jack headphone, so you can monitor yourself while recording, or hear yourself while recording, which to be honest I don't need, because I don't need more voices in my head. But there's also a USB mini port for connecting it to your computer, and another mount point underneath. Probably for attaching it to an arm or a boom stand, which I didn't get. Worth noting, this thing is full metal all the way around, it's super solid. On the front we have got the gain knob, that's to control how much the sound picks up, and a mode selector to switch between recording patterns. On the back there's a mute button and a volume knob for your headphone input. Now, there are way more qualified YouTubers and YouTube videos out there who explain this way better than me, but here's my quick breakdown of it with about the 4 pickup pattern. Cardioid, whatever it says, picks up sound from the front, ideal for talking directly to the mic. This is what I'm using right now. Then we have the Omnidirectional, captures sounds from all directions, good for group convos and ambient audio, which is basically imagine yourself here with a lot of people around the mic, and it picks up every single sound. Bidirectional, grabs a sound from the front and back, perfect for interviews. Picture yourself in front of me talking and the mic on the middle, basically for that. Stereo, uses the left and right channels to create a more immersive sound like music or natural environments. I don't have an example for this one, so I'm not gonna pretend I understand every technical detail about how it works, but you get the jinx of it. I'm not sound ahead. I like sound, but not that much. So yeah, this is the Blue Yeti. Super clean design, solid build, easy to set up, and packed with features. Like I told you, before this I used to record audio on my phone and go to Adobe AI to make a comparison how it sounds. This is me using the Blue Yeti.
So this is me recording my audio from my phone and using Adobe AI.
You basically see the difference in how it feels and how it doesn't sound. Yeah, this is how it is, and I hope I'm gonna start using this bad boy a bit more, because it still was expensive. But yeah, I think it helps with the quality around here, okay? So thank you and have a nice day. After editing, I remembered that I forgot to talk about this. If you want to use the Yeti microphone, you just have to basically plug it into the computer and it's ready to go. You can play around with it with the G-Hub, the application that Blue has. It's a very good one. I'll probably make a video about it, but I think it's good out of the box, as you can see. So yeah, thank you.